This is the J-pole Antenna Interactive Calculator, which calculates antenna dimensions and characteristics for any frequency. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate dimensions from frequency, calculate frequency from radiator length, calculate frequency from stub length, optimize feed point position, calculate input impedance, and calculate bandwidth in SWR. I'll use calculate dimensions from frequency for this demonstration. Next, enter your frequency in megahertz, then the velocity factor between 0.6 and 1.0, followed by conductor diameter and conductor spacing in millimeters. You'll also input the radiator length, stub length, and feed height from bottom in millimeters, plus your target impedance in ohms. For our example, I'll input 146 MHz frequency, 0.95 velocity factor, 6.35 mm conductor diameter, 25.4 mm spacing, 1000 mm radiator length, 500 mm stub length, 125 mm feed height, and 50 ohm target impedance. After clicking calculate, the results show radiator length of 975.35 mm or 38.4 inches, stub length of 487.68 mm or 19.2 inches, feed height of 121.92 mm or 4.8 inches, total length of 1,463.03 mm or 57.6 inches, wavelength of 1.9507 meters, and estimated impedance of 249.3 ohms. This tool streamlines J-pole antenna design for your exact requirements. Find the link in the description below.